The first light of dawn arrives quietly over the mountains of central Croatia. Mist rises above emerald lakes as waterfalls echo through ancient forests. Before the first visitor arrives, nature is already awake. Birdsong fills the air. Crystal clear water flows endlessly through the valley. Welcome to Plitvice Lakes National Park. Croatia's oldest and most famous national park, a place where water continues to shape the landscape every single day. Located between the regions of Lika and Karlovac, this protected wilderness covers nearly 300 square kilometers. Established in 1949, it became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979 for its outstanding natural beauty and unique geology. But Plitvice is far more than a beautiful destination. It is one of the few places on Earth where nature is still creating new waterfalls. Everything begins with rain and melting snow flowing through limestone mountains. As the water travels underground, it absorbs calcium-rich minerals. When it reaches the surface, tiny mosses, algae, and bacteria help form a special natural rock called travertine. Over thousands of years, these mineral layers have built natural barriers across the rivers. Those barriers divide the water into 16 interconnected lakes, linked by countless waterfalls. Unlike most waterfalls that slowly wear away the land, the waterfalls of Plitvice actually help build it. The landscape is constantly changing, one tiny layer at a time. The lakes are famous for their remarkable colors. Depending on sunlight, minerals, and reflections from the surrounding forest, the water shifts between turquoise, emerald, sapphire, and deep blue. No 2 days ever look exactly the same. Surrounding the lakes are ancient beech, fir, and spruce forests that protect this fragile ecosystem. These forests keep the water cool, stabilize the soil, and provide shelter for countless species of wildlife. Every part of Plitvice depends on another. The forests protect the water creates the travertine shapes the waterfalls. And together, they form one of Europe's most extraordinary natural landscapes. As the morning sun rises above the trees, the waterfalls begin to sparkle. Our journey into Croatia's living paradise is only just beginning. Deep inside the forest, the true wonder of Plitvice begins to reveal itself. A network of 16 interconnected lakes stretches across the landscape, each one connected by flowing streams and spectacular waterfalls. Together, they create a natural staircase where water moves gently from one level to another. The lakes are divided into two main sections, the upper lakes and the lower lakes. The upper lakes are surrounded by dense forests, peaceful pathways, and countless small cascades. Here, water moves slowly through a landscape shaped by centuries of natural growth. The lakes appear calm and mysterious, hidden beneath towering trees and cliffs covered with green moss. Every corner reveals a new scene. A quiet stream disappearing beneath the forest, a small waterfall flowing over ancient travertine barriers. A reflection of clouds floating on crystal clear water. Further down, the lower lakes create a completely different atmosphere. The landscape becomes more dramatic. Steep limestone cliffs rise above deep blue waters. Narrow canyons guide the movement of rivers. And powerful waterfalls transform the peaceful surroundings into a breathtaking display of nature's energy. Among all the waterfalls of Plitvice, one stands above the rest. Veliki Slap, meaning the Great Waterfall. At nearly 78 meters high, it is the tallest waterfall in Croatia. During spring and after heavy rainfall, the waterfall becomes even more powerful. Beyond the waterfalls and turquoise lakes lies another world, a world of ancient force, hidden valleys, and creatures that rarely reveal themselves. The water may be the most famous part of Plitvice, but the forest is the true guardian of this natural wonder. Covering most of the national park, these forests create a peaceful wilderness that has remained almost unchanged for centuries. Towering beech trees stretch toward the sky. Silver firs rise above the forest canopy. Spruce trees add deep green colors to the mountain landscape. Together, they create one of the most important forest ecosystems in Croatia. The forest is not silent. It is filled with life. The sound of leaves moving in the wind, the calls of birds hidden among branches, the footsteps of animals moving quietly through the undergrowth. Every sound tells a story. Plitvice is home to hundreds of plant species. Some grow beside the lakes, surrounded by constant moisture. Others survive deep inside the forests, adapted to cold winters and changing seasons. Moss covers fallen trees and rocks, creating a soft green carpet across the landscape. Wildflowers appear during spring, adding small bursts of color between the trees. Many plants here depend on the clean water and protected environment created over thousands of years. But the forest is not only beautiful, it is also a shelter for some of Europe's most fascinating wildlife. Deep within these woods live animals that are rarely seen by visitors. The brown bear is one of the most impressive creatures found in the region. Although sightings are extremely rare, these powerful animals represent the wild spirit of Croatia's forests. They move silently through remote areas, searching for food and avoiding human contact. The Eurasian lynx is another mysterious resident of this ecosystem. This elegant predator disappeared from many parts of Europe, but continues to survive in protected mountain forests. With excellent vision and incredible patience, the lynx moves almost invisibly through the wilderness. The forests are also home to wolves. For centuries, wolves have been part of the natural balance of these mountains. They help maintain healthy populations of other animals and play an important role in the ecosystem. No matter how many times you visit Plitvice Lakes National Park, it never looks exactly the same. The changing seasons transform the entire landscape, creating 4 completely different worlds within a single destination. Spring marks the beginning of nature's renewal. Melting snow from the surrounding mountains feeds the lakes and rivers. The waterfalls become louder and more powerful than at any other time of the year. Fresh green leaves begin to cover the forests. Wildflowers bloom along the walking trails. Every stream carries new life through the valley. As spring fades into summer, the park reveals its most vibrant colors. Warm sunlight shines through the forest canopy. The lakes glow with brilliant shades of turquoise, emerald, and sapphire. Gentle breezes ripple across the water, creating reflections that seem to dance with every passing cloud. Long summer days invite visitors to slow down. Every wooden boardwalk leads to another breathtaking view. Every turn reveals another waterfall hidden among the trees. Yet many believe the true magic of Plitvice arrives with autumn. The forests become a canvas of gold, amber, crimson, and orange. Each lake reflects the colorful landscape like a perfect mirror. The contrast between the bright autumn leaves and the crystal clear water creates one of the most spectacular natural scenes in Europe. As temperatures begin to fall, the park grows quieter. Morning fog drifts across the lakes. The forests become peaceful once again. Then winter arrives. Snow blankets the mountains, forests, and wooden pathways. Many waterfalls freeze into magnificent walls of ice. Icicles hang from the cliffs like natural sculptures. The beauty of winter is found in its silence. Plitvice reminds us that nature never truly stops. It simply changes its rhythm. This constant transformation is one of the reasons the park has fascinated scientists, photographers, and travelers for generations. Every visit offers a different experience, different colors, different sounds, different light, but always the same feeling of wonder.